Go eat.
See, he'll make different noises, yeah.
Grandma, knock it off.
When one went downstairs, he was going, Ed! Ed! And then Will came in and he goes, and then he stopped.
He wanted his daddy.
I don't know why. I'm just kidding.
I don't know why he wants me all the time.
He's your grandma.
He wants his grandma now.
Grandmas are special people. So they say. I'm so tired. Go to bed. Not you.
Ew, Damien.
So we go to bed at 8.
He's trying to do a chunky monkey.
Well, when you knock me in the head, you're gonna
Love you.
go flying.
Wow.
Do a